You're scrambling to find that one episode of your favorite show, only to realize you've got no idea where it's available. You spend minutes searching online, scrolling through endless menus, and clicking on links that just lead to more ads. That's the last thing I need, wasted time on a Sunday morning. But what if I told you there was a way to find your favorite shows in seconds? The answer lies in this 40-inch smart TV from Roku. It seamlessly streams all your favorite apps, including free live television right from the home screen. With fast Wi-Fi and apps that launch in a snap, you get excellent picture quality, clear sound, automatic updates, and more. It's simple to use, hard to outgrow. One of the things I love about this TV is its vast entertainment library. Explore a world's worth of TV, easily find your favorites or soon-to-be favorites. From live in-season shows to hit movies, weather, local news, and award-winning Roku originals, you'll never run out of options. Imagine coming home from work and settling into your favorite show on this TV. The picture is crisp, the sound is crystal clear, and night mode makes it feel like you're watching in a darkened room. It's that good. And with automatic software updates, you'll always have access to the latest features and apps. I've been using this Roku 40-inch smart TV for a while now, and I can confidently say it's made my viewing experience so much better. Who doesn't want that? The convenience, the picture quality, the ease of use, it all adds up to one thing: an amazing streaming experience. One more thing that really impressed me is how easy it is to set up new apps or adjust settings on this TV. You can make the Roku experience your own with a home screen that gets you to what you want to watch fast. And when you're done, you can simply say goodbye and move on, no clutter, no mess. So why wait? Get the latest app updates, features, and more with automatic software updates. Trust me, it's worth it. The Roku 40-inch smart TV is a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their viewing experience. Let me show you some footage of this TV in action. As you can see, it really does make a big difference. Pause. Don't let wasted time and frustration get the best of you. Upgrade your TV today with the Roku 40-inch smart TV and start enjoying an amazing streaming experience that's simple, fast, and affordable. Best. Your name.